Ulcinj Salina is on the southeast part of Montenegro. One of the most important sites on the eastern part of the Adriatic for wintering, breeding and feeding birds. There is more than 250 species registered at Ulcinj Salina, which is more than 50% of species that are registered in Europe. It is very important for migratory birds who are going on their way to or from Africa. Ulcinj Salina was a place where salt was produced on traditional way. Salt production and birds were living here together. In 2005 started the real problems for the salt production company. It was privatized. In 2013, the last harvest of salt happened. Decision makers and the majority owner of the company had some other plans for Ulcinj Salina. They actually were planning to dry this area and build hotels. It would be an ecological disaster. Birds are trying to find a place to rest, and they are under huge threat from climate change. Everything affects them, and then they come here and they don't have where to rest. Several times we were like, it is not possible, we're not gonna make it. But then we had another campaign in 2017, Save Salina. It resulted that in 2019 Salina was officially declared as a nature park, protected area. We just need to show to our decision makers that it is possible, that you can have a nature park and in the same boundaries to have a salt production, offer for tourists, everything you can combine in one place. We can say that now there is political will. Now we just need to give back Salina her previous glow. I decided to be ecologist, biologist, because I really enjoy working in nature. It is like a second home during these days when we are working 24/7 for Salina. You need to be brave to let so many people hear what you have to say about whatever it is important for you, and also to find good allies, to find the people who will support your idea, and then you just go forward.